Hello everyone, today I'm gonna take you with me to check out this beautiful renovation in Tribeca, New York. Tribeca is a vibrant neighborhood in New York that offers a fashionable but laid-back vibe. Here we are in the building, and let's go upstairs in the apartment. Before the renovation, the layout of the apartment was quite different. It felt smaller than it actually is, and we made a few changes to open up the space and made it breathe more. Especially in the kitchen, there was a wall, so it was a separate kitchen from the rest of the space. So we decided to open up the space to the dining area and the living room. I think the design works very well together. For the kitchen, we decided to mix up the two colors of the cabinet, especially to separate the wood color of the floor from the top cabinet. So for the bottom, we use this sage color, which is it's a soft sage, and I think it works. It blends together and it works very well, and it gives this just a simple pop of color. And for the stone I think it's the main feature of this kitchen. This is a Dacton sabbia stone, which is a reinterpretation of the Italian travertine. We used it in the peninsula, in the countertop and the backsplash, and on this side we went up to the ceiling, which gives this dramatic look. For the peninsula, a very interesting feature is this wood tambour, which goes around the whole peninsula. So the kitchen opens up to the dining room and the living room, which is a big space with a great view of Manhattan. And we completely redo the stairs. It matches the wood of the floor, and for the railing we did glass with wood on top. And the reason why we did glass is that we didn't want it to block the view of the outside. We wanted to feel it as much open as possible. This is the powder room. For the powder room, we wanted to create a unique and elegant space. We created this beautiful marble vanity, which is custom made. The material is Calacatta marble, is a Calacatta viola. And for the paint of the walls, we painted in lilac to matches the color of the vanity. We use this mirror above that has quite an interesting shapes, and these two sconce lights are also made of marble. So in here we have the kids' bathroom. We use the same tiles that we have in the master bathroom. This is a stunning herringbone marble tile with green and brown tones. For the walls, we just wanted to be simple, and we use white subway tiles. We have an oak vanity with a white quartz top, and we used vibrant brushed brass for all the fixtures. In this area, there are all the bedrooms. Starting down here, we have one bedroom and two more bedrooms for the kids here. For the master bedroom, we use mainly marble tiles. We have marble tiles in the whole floor, and we used it for the accent wall. We have the accent wall going up to the ceiling behind this freestanding bathtub. And we used marble inside the shower as well. As you can see, for the floor and inside the niche, we put the herringbone marble tiles, the same that we used in the kids' bathroom. The finishes are all brushed gold. We have a custom-made vanity. This is oak wood, and the top is white quartz. The wall sconces are also made of marble, like the wall sconces that we have in the powder room. And then we use the slim medicine cabinet that are elongated and go. It makes the room feel taller. For the rest of the wall, we used white subway tile that we installed vertically. I'm really proud of how the design came out. It has been such a fun project to work on. It was great to collaborate with the client, visiting showrooms and select everything from tiles, fixtures, and the wood floor. The client wanted the design to feel cozy, using earthy elements and soft colors. I think the wood floor really helps elevating the space. And overall, I think the design is elegant, fresh, and very calm. Start a new chapter with us.